Chiki Art!
would you like to draw and paint a cute little bunny? You would? Brilliant! Let's do the ears first. Long oval shapes. Then the head is a circle. Little tuft of hair. Circular eyes with some eyelashes, of course, 3 on each side. The patches, the nose, the mouth. Now for the body. Arms, tummy, tail and feet, and the pads underneath. Perfect! Darkening up the border. And ready to paint, yay! Going for a lovely pink colour for the inner ear. A cute pink and grey bunny. Grey on the outside. I love these 2 colours together, they look awesome. Now a light grey or silver. The centre of the face there, carefully going around the little nose and the mouth. That's it. Going for the dark grey again. On either side, going around the eyes. Gorgeous! That's it, and done! Now pink for the tongue. And a little brown nose. Back to the light grey silver colour. We're going to do the body with the arms. Either side, leaving out the middle of the paws and the tummy. Then we're going back to pink for the tummy to match the inner ears. I love this baby pink colour, don't you? And the bottom of the feet the same. Dark grey. And the tail. And we are done! There you go! How super easy was that? And how super cute! I would love to have a bunny, wouldn't you? Hey kids! Do you fancy drawing and painting a sparkly fox with me? You do? Brilliant! Let's start by doing a little bow in her hair. Outline of the head. The eyes and nose and other facial features. And the ears, they're kind of triangles. Circle eyes, some eyelashes. If you want, you can pause this video and just copy it bit at a time. We're doing the paws and legs. A sort of round body and the back feet with the tummy. And the tail, let's not forget the tail. Darkening up the border. There you go. So it's pretty easy to draw a fox. Like I said, just pause the video and do it a bit at a time. Ready to paint. We're going for a pink for the hair bow. Same colour on each side. Lovely. How about green in the middle? And a bronze colour for the outside of the ears and the main part of the fox. It's kind of bronze or sparkly orange, if you like. There we go. Excellent. Let's go for a pale yellow, goldy tint. It's going to go on the inner ear and the inside of the face, around the facial features. Very carefully painting around those eyes and cheeks and nose and mouth. Excellent. The other ear too. Super cute. Pink for the cheeks. Black nose and a red tongue. Let's go back to our pale gold colour for the end of the tail and the tummy. And I think we'll go back to our bronzy orange for the rest. That's it. It's super easy. You don't need too many different colours. Just the colour of a fox. Take your time and Bob's your uncle. Should we give our fox a name? What name should we give her? How about Fiona the fox? No? Okay, how about Felicity Fox? Well, whatever she's called, she's absolutely gorgeous. Well done, kids. You did a great job. Do you like caterpillars? Me too. Let's draw. A circle for the head and more circles for the body. That's kind of easy, isn't it? It's just that each circle is slightly overlapping the previous one. Circle eyes. We just love those circles. Colouring in the pupils. A mouth. Smiling, of course. Some antennae. Spirals. Just like a lollipop. some legs. Short ones to show they're on the other side. And thickening up the border. It's as easy as that. Ready to colour. Let's go for a nice pale peachy colour for the face. This caterpillar is feeling very peachy today. We're using paint for this one, but of course you don't have to. You can use colouring pencils or pens, whatever you prefer. Carefully going around those eyes and the mouth. Don't want to paint over the lines. There! Red for the next circle. Depending on how large you choose to draw your caterpillar, you'll have to choose the right sized paintbrush so that you can be very careful to stay inside the borders. What colour should we do next? What a great idea! Orange! I thought of that too. And next we can go for yellow. Brilliant! It's like we're getting paler and paler. Red, orange, yellow, fading towards the bottom. Can you think of what caterpillars turn into? We've gone for a pink here. Different shade. That's right! A butterfly! Isn't it amazing? Let's go for some purple feet. Purple is my favourite colour. We'll do them all the same colour. Keep it simple. That way they stand out against the multicoloured body. And there you have it.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.